So I wanted to do for a while a short video, a short tutorial, how you guys check the people that unfollow you and the people that unsubscribe you. So there is an easy way to do that. Get back into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Wisebot, and if you don't have it, when you do your search, you can click in here and it will ask you for you to sign and for you to link your Twitch channel, and you do that, and after you do that it will look like this. So for you to know the people that unfollow you, and let me tell you guys, this is not a negative way. Sometimes Twitch unfollow us by mistake, by a glitch or a bug. So don't take it too serious. It's just because there is so many people asking this question, especially if you are a normal streamer, especially if you are not a top streamer. So this is a quick one for you guys to know and follow you and subscribe you. But also, there's a list of the people that subscribe you and the people that follow you. And it's a remember that for you to praise those, they stay with you in your community. So let's go check that out. So you have in here, you go to the list of channel, and you also have your chat history, a history of sessions, progression and of the channel. You can check all of that if you want. There's a bunch to do in Wisebot actually. Um, so you go to your unfollow us, and it will show you the people that unfollow you. It will show you also the unfollow date, cumulative days of follow, and the viewer's name. It will show you everything. And the same goes for your followers. It will show you a list of the people that follow you. And obviously, your subscribers and also your unsubscribers. And I hope I did help you with that. So I hope to see you guys in the next time. And don't forget to click the sub button. And don't forget to like